Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix EA login credentials expired. So basically, if you entered your phone or email and then entered the password and it says your credentials are incorrect or have expired, and what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead to the alternative choice and click forgot your password. And basically now what you're going to do, you're going to just enter your email address or ID and enter the verification that you are a human, and then they're gonna send you a code to your specified email, and then basically enter the code that's been sent to your email, and after you enter it, you're gonna be able to add or you enter the new password, and then basically now you change that password, go back after you finish, and basically follow along the steps by adding the phone number and email and then password. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.